How to secure your Snapchat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to secure your Snapchat account. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, step 1 is to use the strong password. So here, always create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using easy to guess passwords like birthdays and simple words. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to enable the two-factor authentication. So here, simply enable the two-factor authentication by using SMS or an authenticator app, and this will add an extra layer of security whenever someone tries to log in. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to verify your email or the phone number. So here, always make sure to verify your email and phone number, and this will allow Snapchat to contact you if there is any suspicious activity. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check login activity. So here you can simply check or tap on the forget devices to see all devices logged into your account. So here, if you find any unfamiliar devices, you can simply remove it by tapping on the cross icon beside that device. And that's it. Now you know how to secure your Snapchat account and protect your data. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.